Hi, here is your security tip of the day. It is always advisable to enable the pop-up block in your web browser of your phone and personal computers. Pop-up blockers are built into web browser to prevent unwanted pop-up windows from interfering with and cluttering your browsing experience. Most pop-ups are ads, malwares, and other unwanted windows. But sometimes you will encounter web pages that requires pop-up, so you might need to disable your pop-up blocker occasionally. You can find the pop-up blockers in your browser setting or options in the privacy or site permission section. So, as a thumb rule, you should leave your browser's pop-up blocker turned on to avoid getting these pop-ups. I hope this will help. Thank you.